Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to create flower using Python Turtle. So first, open up VS Code. And before I watch this video, make sure you have a basic knowledge of Python, since that is the language we'll be using for this video. Now go to File, open folder, Document, right click, New, folder, flower in Python, select folder. Now after that you create a new file, naming it index.py. And now after that we have to start the terminal, so go to run, view, to run, start. Oh yes, debug console. I'll go to run the debug console. Wait, where is it? Now I'm going to go to terminal. Now in the index.py, I'll write from turtle import asterisk, which means going to import everything. Import color sys. Now I'm going to save. Now if I write py index.py, it's not going to do anything, but because we haven't actually done anything, so I write speed to 0, then background color, and then a BG color, which is the background color. I'm going to set the background color to black, since black. Now set H to 0. Good. Now what we're going to use this H for, you're going to see it later. Now we want to create a flower, and flower, it has many different petals, and having to code all those petals manually, it's going to, not only will it take a long time, before I finish coding all the petals, we'll probably, be old, but it's very tedious. So right, for I in range 16, for j in range 16, and now c equal to color sys dot hsv to rgb, so we said h1 comma 1, which basically just converts this value in here to RGB, so that we can actually use it. Now you see that just happens. Now we can write color C. Now the reason I converted this HSV to RGB, so that we can actually use the color. So now that I've done this, I'll set H. I'll increase the value of H by 5, which is going to be changing the color a little bit each time. RT90, which is going to, rotate it by 90. And now you see we have something. It's RT90 basically just rotates it by 90. What is this? It's increases. While this it just changes the color. Now then we can write circle. Now I'm just going to write j, comma 90. Yeah, you see that when we do that, yeah, what the circle function does, basically just it creates a circle, but j comma 90 it's not really good, so I'll multiply this by 6. Now you see that we're getting somewhere. and now minus split this by 150. Now you see that it creates these small. Now you see that this function it creates these small bumps here. And then I'll write LT, which just turns its left 90 again. Turns its left 90. Now you see it is starting to create spirals of difference, and it's starting to create spirals. Pretty starting to get somewhere. Then copy this function and paste it here. Now you will see that it's going to create these petal-like things. But after that, this is the flower, not an infinity mask. So you want it to rotate a bit every time after creating a petal. So you write RT 180. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah. And then lastly, I'm going to write circle 40, 20. The extent, the radius, and the extent. What this does that? Well, it basically just creates this flower in a circle. So instead of doing like this, it will do like this, and then like this, and then like this, then like this, and then like this, and then like this. So I'm going to write done. So now it is going to be creating it in a circle. Instead of just, doing it in one place, it will be creating it in a circle instead. Anyways, that's it. So, anyways, that is the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.